Hi everyone, it's Janice from Paul's Dream and Joy, and I've got another fun card to share with you today. So let's get started. Move all this out of the way. This is our card base. It's like a dark blue. I don't have the official name of it, but we're going to say it's a dark blue. And we're going to go ahead and put this on the inside. This is a stitched rounded corner rectangle die, and we're putting this in here so that when you send your card, when you put it in the mail or on a gift or something, you can write a message on it and they'll be able to read it without having to, try to figure out it. The pen's dark and the paper's dark and it's hard to read, but this way it's not hard to read. So we're going to leave that there. And let me show you this first. This is the paper mix that we're going to be using. It's from Pink and Maine. It's called Garden. She has such pretty paper. I really like all of her paper. So we're going to use that. And we're going to put this down first. So let's do that. We'll put that here. Isn't it pretty? It's pretty already. Then we're going to get this little strip, because it was some leftover paper and I thought, I'm going to use that. We can do it like this, or we can do it like this. So we'll think about that for a second. While we're thinking about that, this is going to be the frame for the picture. So it's either going to look like that or like that. So we'll figure that out in a minute. And this is the image that we're using. It's from Creative Fabrica, and I will put a link to it in the description. And this is Stampin' Up Ink. It's Bermuda Bay. And the square that I used to die cut this is from Stampin' Up. And it's the set where these are just plain squares, and then these have the scallops around them. And we're just going to use this side today. And then the sentiment is from the Stamps of Life. And it's from this one, Miss You. And I thought that fit perfectly on here. So we've already got the back on here. Now we just need to figure out these pieces. So we want to do it like this. Actually, I think I want to do it like that because I like being wonky every now and then. So we're going to slide that out the way. Put some adhesive on this. And I'm going to slide it all the way over, I think. But you can do it however you want to do it. And then we're going to put this. Which way did I have it? Does it matter? Probably not. All right, let's get this put down. And then we're going to add this little cutie. Isn't that adorable? And it was so fast. Y'all can do this. Just need a little bit of paper, a little bit of glue, some fun images, some ink, and some messages. You'll be good to go. So that is our card. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thank you so much for joining me today and checking out what I'm doing in my craft room. If you like what I'm doing in my craft room and you'd like to see more of these things, please hit that subscribe button, like and share, and hit the little bell, all the things. Do all the things. You make my day. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.